Hello and welcome everybody for class 3 of finding square roots, not by prime factorization, but the numbers where I can't really use prime factorization. For the previous two classes, look into the description box. Day 1 was finding square roots by approximation method. Day 2 was finding square roots by long division method, where the square roots are actually available in terms of integers. Today, day 3, we'll be finding square roots of numbers which don't really exist. For example, square root of 40. So we'll use the long division method again to find the approximate value of square root of 40. To get a quick revision of the long division method, refer to the description box and look for the video of day 2. Now root 40, what I'll do is 40 dot 0000, pairs of 2 as is required in log division method. I'll find a number whose square is less than 40. So 6 6 36. I'm left with 4. Bring the 2 zeros down. Double of this number 12, dash and dash. 12 3 369, 31, 00. Double of this entire number 126, dash and dash. So 2. This will become 2524. Whatever is the remainder, I'm not really concerned about it. I'm just focusing on the quotient part. And now I can see that root of 40 comes out as approximately 6.32, which will have to be my answer. Let's take another example. Let us say I want to find the square root of 110. So the same process, 1 1 0, 00 00, pairs of 2 starting from decimal, 1 1 1, double of the number and dash, and the same number here. So only possibility is 0, 10, and then 2 zeros, 1000, 10 ka double, 20 and dash. So 20 into 1 is 201, 201 into 1, 201, 202 into 2, 404, 203, 204 seems to be appropriate. 816. I'm left with 184 here, 00. Double of this entire number, 208 and dash. Now 208, and I can very safely put in 9 here. This will come out to be 18 and 720 something. So no, I can't put 9. I'll have to put 8. And now I need to multiply 2088 into 8, which will come out at 1600 and 704. Let's quickly check the calculations. Hanji, so this will come out as 16704. Whatever is the exact remainder doesn't matter, because now I can stop at this point and I can say that my square root of 110 will come out to be approximately 10.48. Similarly, in case I have a decimal number, for example, I have a number 136.4, and I approximately want to find the square root of this number. I can still use the same approach. जैसे पहले I was doing 4 zeros on the right hand side of decimal. Now I'll have 4 and then I'll need to add the remaining 3 zeros. So 1, 1 and 1. 36. Double of this number 2. 1 and 1. 21. 1, 5. And then entire 4 0. 22 dash and dash. 6 will have to be 1320 plus 36 1356 will have to be 184, and then 00 18400, double of this entire number, which comes out as 232. I obviously cannot multiply by 9 because this would, by the looks of it, go beyond 18,000. So let's go with 8. So 2328 into 8, whatever is the number, I don't even have to bother with the calculation. Pata hai that it will be less than 18,400, whatever is the remainder. So for all practical purposes, I can limit my calculation to root of 136.4, 11.68 approx. And that will be my answer. Hope these numbers have been clear to you. In case you have any doubt, feel free to contact us. Thank you and have a nice day.